Hello students, welcome to ELGA 10 revision class at Sri Vidyaniketan Public School, Sri Ramnagar. Yes, students, today we are going to revise Unit 6 of Day 2. Students, before starting the class, make sure that you will have your student reader, workbook, notebook and pencil while attending the online classes. Yes, in the previous class, we have revised phonics and whole words. Yes, in today's class, we are going to revise reading and listening comprehension. Yes, now let us start our class with reading and listening comprehension. Yes, so students, in today's class, we are going to revise describe character and making connection with life. So now let's start with the describe character. Yes, what do you mean by describe character? Yes. So students, while reading the stories, you'll come across the character or an important personality. So we'll describe those characters based on their actions and how those actions affected their lives. Fine. So once again, I repeat students, describe character means while reading the stories, we'll come across a character or an important personality. We'll describe those characters based on their actions and how those actions affected their lives. Yes. So now let me explain you how to describe the character. Yes. To describe the character, we'll follow the table. So now let me explain you how to describe the character using this table. For example, here I am describing a character of Albert Einstein. So here I took the character of Albert Einstein from the story The Curious Learner. So now what are the characters of the Albert Einstein? We'll discuss now. What were his actions? Yes, what were the Albert Einstein actions in the story? Yes, Einstein started on a journey or lifelong fascination with invisible forces. So this is the one action which I took from the story. This is the one Albert Einstein action which I took from the story. So the next column is how did his actions affect the events in his life? So the which actions affect the events in his life? Yes. So he grew up to become an influential scientist. So this is the one action I took from the story which affect the events in his life. So moving to the next column. What adjectives can you use to describe him? Adjectives for means example brave, calm, beautiful, attractive. These are the adjectives. So adjectives is nothing but which describes about the noun. So now which I use adjectives to describe the Albert Einstein are courageous, curious, proactive, thoughtful, etc. So these are the some adjectives which I used to describe the Albert Einstein. So moving to the next column. What kind of person was Albert Einstein? So now, what kind of person was he? Yes, I think Albert Einstein was courageous and curious as a person. So according to me, I think that he was curious and courageous as a person. So we move to the next column, give evidence for the same. So students, to describe all these characters, we have to give the evidence. Evidence is nothing but proof. Which lines in the story are going to describe about the character. So here these are the evidences which I took from the story to describe the Albert Einstein. So the evidences are The reasons are that he questioned the way school taught him. He took an interest in performing experiments and learning from them. His curiosity led him to discover things about the universe. So these are the evidences which I took from the story, which describes about the lines which describes about the Albert Einstein. So students, in the same way, you need to read the stories and try to describe the character using this table. Now let us see the exercise based on this topic. Yes. So students, here you need to read the story. The story is Sir Isaac Newton from SR 11 and describe the character of Sir Isaac Newton and complete the table. Yes, we'll move to the next topic. Yes, making connections with life. Making connections with life means what? Yes, connecting ourselves to the character or an important personality with what we know and what we have experienced in our life, and also what did we learn from the character. Clear? So students, I repeat once again, making connections is nothing but connecting ourselves to the character or important personality with what we know and what we have experienced in our life, and also what did we learn from the character. So students, for example here, as I already explained about the character of Albert Einstein using the table. So now here I am myself connecting to the Albert Einstein's life and what I learned from him, let me tell you. So students, from Albert Einstein I learned that I should be courageous and ask questions. I do not ask many questions because I am scared, but I will overcome this and have the courage to ask questions about different things. So this is what I learned from the character. So students, in the same way, you need to read the story and make a connection yourself to the character with what you know and what you have experienced in your life and what did you learn from the character. So now let us see the exercise based on this topic. Yes, read the story Sir Isaac Newton from SR11 and make connections with your life and write what did you learn from Sir Isaac Newton. So students, here you have to connect yourself to the Sir Isaac Newton and then you have to write what did you learn from him. First, you have to read the story. Then, make a connection yourself with the character and write what did you learn from the Sir Isaac Newton. So, are you clear? Yes, we'll move to the next topic. Yes, so students, here there is also exercise. Here you need to read the story. That story name is Mary Curie, the Wonder Woman from SR 18 and answer the following questions. So students, here there are some factual questions. You need to read the questions carefully and answer the questions. So students, how to write the answers for this question? Let us see now. So here, first we have to read the question carefully. Then you have to begin the answer with the sentence, proper sentence structure and write the answer followed by the question. For example, let us see now. Why did Curie leave her homeland? So now I'll write the answer followed by the question. So now I'll begin. Curie left her homeland. So students, in this way you have to write the answer followed by the question or use the correct sentence structure to write the answer. So students, in the same way you need to read the questions carefully and answer the following questions. Yes, so students, with this we are going to complete our today's class. Yes, students, utilize your leftover time. Time to complete the worksheets. Thank you. Happy learning.